What if I told you the calm after a storm is one of the most beautiful things you'll ever see? You think the storm is over, but actually, that's when nature puts on its best show. When heavy rain clears, the air is cleaner, the colors sharper, and sometimes the sky reveals double rainbows or glowing clouds you'll never catch at any other time. But here's the twist. This magic lasts only minutes. Therefore, most people miss it completely. So next time a storm fades, don't go inside yet. Wait, look up, and you might witness the rarest sky of your life. In fact, studies show storms release negative ions that make you feel calmer and happier. Almost like nature is pressing a reset button for your soul.